When I popped off, then you go gave me when I popped.
Hi guys, good afternoon. For today's video, I have fruits here, and I'm just gonna show you what is inside in here. And it's my first time to eat this, so we will check it out. What is inside? Okay, we're gonna open here like this. Oh wow, look at this. It's strawberry. It's oops, gummy. It's a gummy here. Oh my god. Oh, I love it. It's good for the kids. Actually, this snacks is for the kids. I just thought this snacks. It's a lot in here. I'm gonna show you. It's a box. Wait. Here, guys. Oh. It's yummy. I really love it. And it's a different kinds of colors. Green. I have orange. What's this? Orange? Yeah, it's orange. And grapes. I've almost gone. And I don't know what this is, the green one. This is the challenge, guys. Well, I'm on camera. I eat all of this. We will try to chew and chop. Yes, it's the last one. It's a chewy and gummy. I love this. Wow, it's so yummy. If you have kids, they love it. The challenge is done. Yeah, no more. Challenge is done. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope that you like and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe and the thumbs up. Bye!